This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing numbers with digits aligned. This keeps place value accurate. First, multiply the top number by the ones digit of the bottom number. Write that partial product on the first row. Once done, move to the tens digit. Write a 0 as a placeholder and multiply again, producing the next shifted row. Make sure to track carries on the upper edge. They explain why digits exceed 9 and must move to the next column to remain correct. Now you handle the complex middle steps. Multiply each digit of the bottom number by every digit of the top number, carrying when a product exceeds 9. As you produce each partial product, shift it left one place for tens, 2 for hundreds, and so on. This aligns contributions by place value. Once all rows are written, check each row with quick mental estimation to catch errors, because small carry mistakes early will multiply into bigger final mistakes if not corrected. Finally, you add the aligned partial products straight down, carrying during addition as needed until you reach the final sum. Once complete, verify why the answer makes sense by estimating. Round each number and multiply mentally to check magnitude. If totals differ, recompute the most suspect partial product or recheck alignment and zeros. Misplaced shift is the most common error. Make sure to correct carries and recalculate only the rows affected, which saves time and isolates mistakes efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.